Nekero tokugenda mutwe wizara ya manani ne chinsana niyo yaburi gusegete meroberio yo kurwania obonchereria gose korigereria obonchereria kwerire nabo igo gosime ko kwemete ase chiskuru ao.
My name is Charles Omote. Today is a Global Action Day on Climate Finance. We are cognizant that Africa has suffered greatly on the matters concerning climate financing. The Global South, which comprises of all countries in Africa, they bear the costs of all climate issues in the world, and yet they are underfunded. So today, as a Global Action Day on Climate Finance, we have decided that we stay in solidarity with the other countries in Africa to demand for three things. Number one, we demand for a pay up on the debt that has remained to be a burden in Africa for many years. Number two, we know that the Global North has been underfunding all climate issues in Africa. And so for that reason, we are calling for the Global North to start funding African countries on matters concerning climate change. The number three, we are also concerned about the transformation on how financial systems are being carried across the world that cuts across all countries that are affected on climate change. So for that reason, we are calling all the Global North and also the stakeholders, both from national level to local levels and from the global responsibilities.
Intubuna kiogo ekemo kiabo tu aberto okora sokolenda chimbebe chito chia mache nkelia togosege togosimeka kwemete kero mwaka nabo iga sebinyoro byeito ngobeka tole amangane kera tura semesangirekano weni kare chabantu baiterinde basimeke emete ya kiaziri kobolia department ya forestry elinde tokonya sokonyore emete iyo turabe togosimeka naende boigo nona azichinsemo chitwetana inega sebigorobira elinde totuarana a day for our area here tosimeke emete asogokonya mangana masingira ase kinyoleke gitu kia kiogo nensemo yetu ya Kenya.
Ndio maana ulimwenguni kote siku hii leo tumeunga na wasikadau wote kupanda miti ili angalau tuweze kulinda uhai katika shule yetu na katika vijiji vyote ambavyo